Decision has the family of Kamari Smith tonight asking why. The 8-year-old killed by a hit-and-run driver while she was getting a snow cone from an ice cream truck. Today, the shocking news that the driver and the case was dismissed.
7 Action News reporter Kimberly Craig has more on the judge's decision that came just after prosecutors rested their case.
My guys never made any admissions that he was driving that car that hit Kamari Smith.
23-year-old Courtney Shields is a man who was charged in the deadly hit and run of 8-year-old Kamari Smith. The little girl was hit after buying a treat from the ice cream truck near her home in northwest Detroit. Shields' trial on multiple charges, including second-degree murder, began earlier this month. And yesterday, in a stunning decision for Kamari's loved ones, Judge James Callahan sided with the defense in what's called a motion for a directed verdict of not guilty.
And what it means is that no trier of fact, which means a jury could come up with a conclusion to find that the defendant would be guilty. And if they did, it would be a manifest injustice.
Shortly after the deadly hit and run, Detroit police found this silver Charger after it had been returned to Mark's One Car Rental. And defense attorney Ray Page says it was never proved that this was the car that hit Kamari Smith.
Nothing distinguished about the car that my guy had that would lead a reasonable jury to believe that was the same car that was at the scene of the accident of Kamari Smith.
In a statement, the Wayne County Prosecutor's Office says they disagree with the court's decision to grant a directed verdict because they say there was ample evidence that this should have been a case for the jury to decide. And under the law, they are not allowed to appeal a directed verdict.
I want to say first and foremost, we send our sympathies out to the Kamari Smith family. I know this is a difficult day for them. It's a difficult day for us too, because there's an unresolved murder of an 8-year-old, and that family doesn't have justice today.
The family of Kamari Smith says they are too devastated to talk about how this case has ended.
And I hope that justice comes for that family.
But it was not your guy.
Was not my guy.
In Detroit, Kimberly Craig, 7 Action News.